going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Touch espresso machine. It comes to us with a clogged boiler and solenoid valve. So when I tested, it wasn't give any water from the probe head or the hot water. When I opened it, I found like the boiler. This type of boilers is hard. It's like easy to get clogged. We call it pancake boiler. So I try unclogged it. Takes some time. Then I notice I can, because usually, like, unfortunately, we cannot. We tried many times and we cannot unclog that. And Breville didn't sell that part, or even like the solenoid valve. So I unclogged it and I took off the solenoids. I soaked them, unclogged them, put it back. Then the machine works. So I descale it 2 times with thick descaler until I stop getting any scale coming out of it. And I deep cleaned the steam one, and when I tried to test it, I noticed the grinder was like giving really coarse grind. So I took it off. I recalibrated after clean it and put it back together. And let's go ahead and test it. Yeah, the machine comes with, the customer uses the single shot basket, but I don't like to test the machines with that. So I want to test it with this, and I put it back here so he can just, also he can recalibrate his machine as he likes. So now I put it on 16, which is, even on 16 is finer, way finer than it was. But he can recalibrate. It's easy to do it from here. See the amount of coffee. Need a little bit more. Actually, this is not enough. Refusion. This is really good shot with thick creamer. So let's test. Let me give it from this side. Show here. Take this off. Let's test the hot water. That works perfect too. And the steamer. That works great. Should clean itself. did. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.